Okay, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to redirect the user to our dashboard page after we log in. Also, I'm going to show you how to add a user button here so that we can edit the profile and log out of our application, because here it doesn't really make sense to add a sign out button. Okay, so I'm gonna go into login. Okay, I'm gonna first show you that to redirect our user after they end up logging in, go to your sign in component and you'll see this force redirect URL. Just add slash dashboard. Okay, save this. Just reload this. Okay, and then just log in. Then I'm redirected to my dashboard page, but right now I can't log out of my application. So in your dashboard page.js file, okay, I've added a simple navigation and some text. Okay, that's what you're seeing here. In this, I think like here, just add the user button. Okay, and save this. And this is the easy way. The other way is to log your user out by using hooks, but this is like for simple applications. Okay, here you can manage your account. This is the name of the user and the sign out. Okay, and if you want to manage some things about your user, you can use this. But as you can see, you can add more email addresses and connect to other accounts. That is not a good thing if you're trying to create something that doesn't need this. So you would try and create a custom profile page for something like that and not use this. But this is like a simple way of doing this. And you also have the sign out. So if I try to sign out right now, right, you can see that it redirected me to the main page. I hope you like this tutorial, because I will be showing you how to create custom login pages and sign up pages, and also how to use the hooks and backend stuff as well when it comes to this, using the server side logic to create custom profile pages. So like and subscribe to stay updated about those tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.